2027 Chevrolet Corvette C9 is finally here. And it's not just another update to America's most legendary sports car. This is a bold new chapter. From the very first glance, you can tell that Chevrolet has pushed the boundaries of design, engineering, and performance to create something that feels futuristic yet unmistakably Corvette. For decades, the Corvette has represented raw American performance, and now with the C9 generation, it steps into a new era that blends advanced hybrid technology, aggressive aerodynamics, and track-ready engineering into one stunning package. Visually, the C9 takes everything we loved about the C8 and sharpens it even further. The stance is lower, wider, and more dramatic. The front fascia features slimmer LED headlights that slice into the fenders, giving the car a razor-focused expression. Larger air intakes dominate the front bumper, channeling airflow to cool the high-performance powertrain. The hood sits lower than before, improving visibility while enhancing aerodynamics. Every crease and sculpted line serves a purpose, whether it's reducing drag or increasing downforce at high speeds. Moving along the side profile, the mid-engine proportions remain, but the bodywork is more sculpted and muscular. Deep side air intakes feed the engine with cool air, and the roofline flows seamlessly into a more aggressive rear deck. Chevrolet has integrated active aerodynamic elements, including adjustable rear spoilers and air flaps that automatically adjust depending on speed and driving mode. Large forged aluminum wheels wrap around massive carbon ceramic brakes, giving the Corvette C9 an unmistakable supercar presence. At the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. Quad exhaust tips are positioned centrally, emphasizing the performance intent. The LED taillights are thinner and more angular, stretching across a sculpted rear end that features an integrated diffuser. The entire rear section is designed to maximize airflow and stability at triple-digit speeds. This is not just a car that looks fast. It is engineered to dominate both the road and the track. Step inside, and the interior feels like a true leap forward. The driver-focused cockpit remains, but it is more refined and technologically advanced. A curved digital instrument cluster sits behind the flat-bottom steering wheel, offering customizable displays for performance data, navigation, and vehicle settings. The central infotainment screen is larger and more responsive, powered by Chevrolet's latest software interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Physical buttons are minimized, replaced with touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback surfaces. Premium materials cover nearly every surface. Depending on the trim, buyers can choose from high-grade leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are redesigned to offer better lateral support during aggressive driving, while still providing comfort for long-distance cruising. There's improved cabin insulation as well, reducing road noise without sacrificing the thrilling engine sound that Corvette fans crave. Now let's talk about what truly defines the C9, performance. Under the rear deck, the 2027 Corvette C9 introduces a new evolution of Chevrolet's iconic V8 engine. In its standard form, it features a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8, producing around 550 horsepower. But Chevrolet doesn't stop there. Higher trims introduce hybrid assistance, pairing the V8 with electric motors mounted on the front axle. This setup creates an advanced all-wheel drive system capable of delivering over 700 horsepower in performance-focused variants. The hybrid system is not just about efficiency, it's about performance. Instant electric torque enhances acceleration off the line, allowing the C9 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds in its top configurations. The dual-clutch transmission has been refined for even faster shifts, delivering lightning-quick gear changes that keep the engine in its optimal power band. Drivers can switch between multiple driving modes, including Tour, Sport, Track, and a customizable performance setting that adjusts suspension stiffness, throttle response, steering weight, and exhaust sound. Handling is another area where the C9 shines. The updated chassis is lighter yet stronger, thanks to increased use of aluminum and carbon fiber components. Magnetic Ride Control 5.0 offers real-time suspension adjustments, ensuring a smooth ride on public roads and razor-sharp precision on the track. The steering is more direct, giving drivers greater confidence when carving through corners. Combined with the advanced all-wheel drive hybrid system, the C9 offers extraordinary grip and stability. Braking performance is equally impressive. Massive carbon ceramic brake rotors provide fade-resistant stopping power, even after repeated high-speed laps. The brake pedal feel is firm and responsive, giving drivers precise control. Advanced traction and stability systems work seamlessly in the background, allowing experienced drivers to push the limits while maintaining safety. Speaking of safety, the 2027 Corvette C9 includes a suite of modern driver assistance technologies. Features such as forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control are available. Chevrolet has also enhanced structural rigidity to improve crash protection while maintaining the lightweight performance-focused design. One of the most exciting aspects of the C9 is its balance between tradition and innovation. Corvette has always been about delivering supercar performance at a relatively accessible price point. The 2027 model continues that philosophy. While pricing has increased compared to previous generations, it still undercuts many European rivals offering similar performance. Chevrolet aims to keep the base model competitive while offering higher trims that rival exotic supercars costing twice as much. Fuel efficiency has also improved, thanks to the hybrid technology and refined aerodynamics. While buyers don't choose a Corvette primarily for fuel economy, the added efficiency makes the C9 more practical for daily use. The front trunk and rear cargo space remain surprisingly usable for a sports car, allowing owners to enjoy weekend getaways without compromise. On the track, the C9 feels like a precision instrument. The hybrid all-wheel drive system launches the car with incredible force, while the balanced chassis keeps it planted through high-speed corners. The exhaust note, especially in performance modes, delivers a deep, aggressive roar that reminds drivers of the Corvette's racing heritage. Yet when switched into tour mode, the car becomes surprisingly civilized, suitable for daily commuting. Customization options are extensive. Buyers can choose from a wide range of exterior colors, racing stripes, wheel designs, brake caliper finishes, and interior themes. Performance packages add aerodynamic enhancements, track-tuned suspension setups, and lightweight components for enthusiasts who demand maximum capability. The 2027 Chevrolet Corvette C9 represents more than just a new generation. It symbolizes the evolution of American performance engineering. It proves that Chevrolet can embrace electrification without losing the soul of the Corvette. The combination of a naturally aspirated V8 and cutting-edge hybrid technology delivers breathtaking performance while preparing the Corvette for the future of automotive innovation. For longtime Corvette enthusiasts, the C9 offers familiarity in its roaring V8 soundtrack and driver-focused design. For new buyers, it provides cutting-edge technology, exotic styling, and world-class performance. It stands as a reminder that American sports cars can compete on a global stage and often exceed expectations. In the end, the 2027 Corvette C9 is a statement. It is bold, aggressive, technologically advanced, and unapologetically powerful. Whether cruising down the highway, dominating a racetrack, or simply turning heads at a car meet, the C9 captures attention and delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Chevrolet has once again redefined what a Corvette can be, blending heritage with innovation in a way that feels both respectful and revolutionary. The C9 is not just the next Corvette, it is the future of American performance.